Heading up the logging roads to go spring riding means you should definitely have a radio. We just passed a logging truck that was headed out.
Oh, thank you. Next one should be about 57.
You definitely need to call your kilometers on these narrow roads. Summer riding is awesome, highly recommend it, and we're gonna make it up to the top of the mountain safely.
Let's go.
Yeah, there's no snow down here, but there's snow up top. Oh! Well, we're up here at the snow line. Back the trucks up right up to the trail. Lots of snow. Got the race sled today. 2025 Summit Edge Adrenaline converted to a 154. Riding with Curly and my girlfriend Leah. Riding my 2021, originally a 600 RS, but now it's an 850 RS. Took the 600 out, obviously, put an 850 in it. So it's got oil injection now. And then I also put a 39-inch backcountry front end on it. Was able to keep the 46mm race sled shocks, which is awesome. It's a 137-inch as well. Really, really solid sled for jumping. It can handle a lot. So excited to get it in the air, maybe do some tricks on it. We'll see what we can do.
Faster.
I have your sled to sit on and your bag of candy.
Thank you.
So Leah, what kind of trick do you want to see?
Knack-knack.
Knack-knack, you want to see a knack-knack? Yeah, I'll work on a knack-knack. Quick shot start on the race sled too. Works awesome. The fuel gauge doesn't work, so it'll be beeping at me here and there. Well, it doesn't have a fuel gauge actually. We'll go for a one-hander. You know, look over. Back, look back. Oh, that's fun. Woohoo! How's that? Yeah, aftermarket suspension helps. Or the big boy shots. Want to try jumping this?
Not at the moment.
Okay. Throttle hand off. You gotta wrestle the whole wide race sled.
Having fun?
A lot of fun. That's why we call it the loop-de-loop. Because it's around and around and around and around. Gonna try to look all the way back at Leah. Woohoo! Held that one a little bit longer. That did not work the way I wanted it to.
You tumbled like the snowball. That was real smooth.
Try. Try. Give me a thumbs up if I can jump over you. Yeah?
Don't kill me. Let's squish like a bug. Jeez.
Give me another thumbs up if I can jump over you and look down at you. Okay. Yeah! Fist bump. Yeah, Curly with the look forward. Curly's looking comfortable. Hey, you look good jumping a skidoo.
The difference in the shocks alone makes me want to cry almost.
Like crazy difference, eh?
Well, like, I mean, still not I don't know if I'm a huge fan of the handling yet. It's not really right snow to get used to it in.
Yeah.
But as far as like actually taking an impact or whatever, like, yeah.
C40 suspension all around on this sled. It's a 154. The race sled has 46mm shocks, but the C40s from Enzo revalved work really good. I'm glad you like it. I saw the look over. That was sick.
I tried doing that a couple times with mine too.
Yeah.
And it did, but
I missed those ones.
you should jump the other one time. Just
Okay, I'll try it.
how terrible it is. It is brutal.
Yeah. Curly's Polaris. What's that? 2025 boost?
25 boost, 155.
Chaos with the Velocity piggyback shocks. I don't know what the valve bodies in these are, but they're pretty small. Shaft is pretty small compared to the C40s on that, and especially compared to the 46s on that. Jump this a couple times, see how it feels. Ooh, got the hard mountain bar here too. Those don't feel good to the throat. No shot. Such a different sled for jumping. The running boards like kind of curl up more and it makes you want to go forward more. It's a very interesting feel. No grip plates either. Slippery tunnel. Oh, that was the bottom. For jumping, the straight post steering definitely feels a lot different too. I prefer the lay down on a skidoo because it feels more like a dirt bike. Oh, that was the bottom too. It's still a snowmobile, it's still fun, but it's definitely lacking suspension capabilities compared to the sleds that I'm running. Directly over to a skidoo, I'd say the Freeride shocks perform significantly better than these Chaos shocks. That's probably mainly the difference between the actual valve size in the shocks themselves. The Skidoo Freeride shocks are probably, I think, the best shocks that OEM offers from the factory.
There's 3,000 K.
Yeah. Shocks need to be rebuilt a lot sooner than that. Check out the top views up here. What are you looking at dropping off of? That? Curly dropping in. Woohoo! Now you gotta come back up. A little bit of a snowballs going down the hill.
And when I do come back up, are the other sleds going to be in the way?
They would be, but I can move them.
Okay, in a few minutes I'll probably do that.
There he comes. That was awesome. I'm glad we moved the sleds and Leah didn't get landed on. Figure out where we want to go off of this. Add a little bit of definition. Oh, drops are fun. Yeah, that's hard to hold it pinned off of that.
An evil laugh.
Maybe one more off of this. That's hilarious. I think so too. That's fun. Slowly working our way out now. Well, back down here at the trucks, getting changed on the deck. Really fun day. It's kind of short, but awesome to be able to go for an afternoon ride in the springtime here. Being May 6th, it was pretty awesome to get up on top of the mountain, hit some jumps. I really appreciate my girlfriend Leah for taking all the videos. And overall, a great day. Thanks for watching this Mountain Standard Time episode. Stay tuned for next Thursday's video. New upload every week, every Thursday at 1:16 Mountain Standard Time.